Are we about to see a major move in Zebec Network? The chart is showing two powerful scenarios, and whichever direction it breaks could set the tone for the next big trend. Stay with me, because this analysis might help you spot the next opportunity before the crowd does. Okay, guys? Looking at the 2-hour time frame, we can clearly see that the price has been in a correction phase after falling to hold the upper trend channel. Right now, the market is sitting around the 0.0046 level, showing sign of a compression. We have two possible outcomes: a bullish reversal that could take a price back toward 0.0055 and potentially 0.0060, or a bearish continuation that could drive it lower to test the 0.0036 and even 0.0028 zone. Okay, guys? The bullish scenario would require buyers to reclaim liquidity and break through the resistance near 0.0055, which could trigger momentum toward higher targets. On the other hand, if the market continues to respect supply zone and fails to push higher, we could see sellers taking control, driving the price down to take control. Okay, guys? Something think about driving the price down to collect liquidity at the lower level before any significant recovery. What do you think will happen first, the bullish breakout or the bearish continuation? Bearish continuation. Share your thought in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto analysis. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. And this video is for educational purposes only. Okay, guys, bye bye.